What if your home knew you were stressed before your spouse did? And what if it fixed your mood automatically without the dramatic interrogation? Because in 2025, luxury isn't about marble floors, infinity pools, or glass elevators anymore. It's about homes that think, react, and anticipate. It's about homes that behave like a personal staff that never takes a sick day, never forgets instructions, and never complains about overtime. That's the new symbol of wealth. You don't ask your home for anything. Your home already knows, so let's dive in. For years, we believed luxury peaked with architectural masterpieces, mansions perched on cliffs, living rooms bigger than apartments, and kitchens designed more for show than for cooking. But the ultra-rich have quietly moved on. Their focus has shifted away from things and toward experiences, especially experiences powered by intelligent systems. Today's most expensive homes don't just look luxurious, they feel alive. They adapt, they predict, and they constantly adjust themselves to enhance your day without you ever touching a button. The transformation began when major tech companies stopped treating smart homes as gadgets and started designing them as ecosystems. Samsung's 2025 SmartThings AI upgrade, LG's ThinQ hyper-personalized environment engine, Amazon's ambient AI, and Google's multi-agent Home OS completely changed the game. Instead of assistants that wait for commands, we now have ambient intelligence technology that detects your patterns, listens to your rhythms, and quietly takes care of everything in the background. In high-end communities from Dubai to Singapore, these systems are no longer premium features. They're simply expected. And this leads us straight into the newest luxury obsession, the AI Butler. Not a robot with a bow tie. Not a voice assistant that mishears you every second question. A real AI household manager. The kind of digital steward that organizes your day, regulates your home environment, coordinates your routines, and even syncs with your health data to optimize your well-being. The difference is night and day. Traditional assistants react when you call them. AI butlers respond before you even realize you need something. Here's where the hook tightens. These AI systems are trained to read micro changes in your behavior. When you walk into your home after a long day, they analyze your footstep speed, your breathing pattern, your face tension, even your tone of voice, and within seconds, your environment adapts. The lights soften. The temperature rises or falls by a few degrees. Your favorite comfort music begins playing, and your home subtly shifts into what developers now call recovery mode. For the ultra-rich, this isn't convenience, it's emotional management built directly into the architecture. Personalization is now the defining feature of luxury. In 2025, your home doesn't simply turn lights on and off. It creates atmospheres tailored to your exact emotional state. When you enter a room, the house identifies you instantly through facial recognition or gait mapping. It knows whether you prefer warm or cool light. It knows the playlist that calms you down or energizes you. It even knows which scent lowers your stress levels. Because yes, luxury homes now have AI-controlled scent diffusers connected to your biometric data, but the integration goes even deeper. Health wearables like Apple's 2025 Health Ring, Aura's next-generation sensor network, and Samsung's glucose and cortisol monitoring stack now sync directly with home systems. If you slept terribly, your house reacts by boosting natural spectrum lighting to wake you gently. If your heart rate has been elevated all day, your home shifts your living room into a soft, therapeutic ambience. If your hydration levels are low, your smart kitchen suggests drinks or automatically prepares a hydration solution. It's like having a doctor, a therapist, and a personal assistant silently working together in the background. Now, let's talk about security, because no matter how luxurious the home is, nothing ranks higher for billionaires than safety. And in 2025, luxury homes are protected by security systems that look more like something out of a high-tech intelligence agency than a residential property. AI-driven surveillance has replaced traditional cameras. Instead of simply capturing footage, these systems analyze movement patterns, identify unknown individuals, scan heat signatures, verify liveness to defeat deepfakes, and track unusual behavior long before it becomes a threat. One of the most groundbreaking changes is the rise of autonomous patrol drones. In private estates in California, the UAE, and Singapore, homes now come with drone units that automatically launch, circle the perimeter, and scan for anomalies using thermal and low-light imaging. These drones are faster, cheaper, and more accurate than human guards. And unlike humans, they don't blink, nap, or get distracted by TikTok. They operate 24/7 with machine-level precision, and they can cover an entire property in seconds instead of minutes. For the ultra-rich, this isn't just convenience, and it's peace of mind, but the real magic happens behind the scenes. AI security systems combine data from drones, cameras, sensors, and biometric gates to make decisions in real time. If an unknown heat signature approaches the property late at night, the system alerts the owner, activates floodlights, locks entry points, and sends a silent feed to the homeowner's phone. All of this happens without you even being aware something was wrong. It's invisible protection, which is exactly how the wealthy like it. And because the system learns from every incident, it becomes smarter and more accurate each month. On the topic of invisibility, invisible tech has become one of the defining luxury trends of 2025. The ultra-rich don't want their homes filled with flashing lights, exposed gadgets, or bulky devices. They want minimalism with maximum intelligence. That means technology built into walls, floors, ceilings, and furniture. Speakers you can't see. Sensors you can't find. Screens that disappear when you're not using them. Entertainment walls that transform into landscapes, movie theaters, sports arenas, or interactive displays with a single gesture. This is elegance without clutter, technology so refined it hides itself. And the best part is that visitors can't even tell where the tech starts or ends, creating a sense of seamless magic. Another fascinating evolution is the rise of autonomous kitchens. Thanks to companies like Moly Robotics, high-end homes are now equipped with robotic cooking arms capable of preparing entire meals from scratch. They chop, stir, saute, and plate dishes with perfect precision. They follow thousands of recipes stored in the home AI system, and they clean up afterward. Your fridge also knows everything about your ingredients, their freshness levels, and your nutritional needs. Think of it as having a chef, a nutritionist, and a grocery manager working together inside your kitchen. For busy homeowners, this kind of automation isn't just luxury, it's lifestyle transformation. It turns cooking into an experience you enjoy rather than a task you stress over. But luxury isn't just about comfort and automation, it's about experience. That's why the AI Wellness Room has exploded in popularity in 2025. This room is designed entirely around mental and emotional recovery. When you enter, the room analyzes your breathing, heart rate variability, facial tension, and overall stress level. Instantly, it creates a personalized environment for recovery. Soft shifting lights, therapeutic sound patterns, aromatherapy diffusion, and guided relaxation experiences appear without being asked. For billionaires juggling high-pressure lives, wellness isn't optional, it's a daily necessity. The shift in luxury is clear. The focus has moved from status symbols to emotional comfort. People no longer want homes that look rich. They want homes that feel effortless. They want spaces that protect their privacy, improve their health, anticipate their needs, and give them more time to live actual life instead of managing a household. And this final hook is the biggest transformation of all. In 2025, luxury isn't about owning more things, it's about doing fewer things. It's about removing friction from day-to-day living. This is why voice commands are slowly becoming outdated. Luxury homes now respond to gestures, proximity, and intention. If you wave your hand, music changes. If you look at a curtain, it opens. If you move closer to a wall display, it activates into your preferred interface. These natural controls feel intuitive, seamless, and quietly futuristic. But the ultimate reason these homes feel magical is because they learn. Every day, with every action and every preference, the system becomes sharper and more intuitive. Over time, your home turns into an extension of your personality, smoother, smarter, and almost instinctive in the way it responds. It remembers what you love, protects what matters, and adapts to your life the same way a full human staff once did, only with perfect consistency. Luxury in 2025 is no longer about material things. It's emotional, intelligent, invisible, and anticipatory. And this evolution is only just beginning. If this video glimpse into billionaire homes got you dreaming a little, hit like and subscribe. The future of luxury gets wilder from here.